Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on JOI. So let's get started. Begin by launching your JOI application. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Select or search for the person that you would like to block. Now tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the person's profile page. Tap on the block option. And this is how you can block someone on JOI. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.